In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage accounts with Cloudflare. If you're not familiar with Cloudflare, it's a popular tool that many use to enhance security, performance, and reliability of their websites. It's crucial for any online presence, so knowing how to navigate and manage it is a plus. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Cloudflare's dashboard. This is where all the magic happens and where you'll be managing your domains and account settings. Make sure you're logged in so you can follow along without hitting any roadblocks. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the option labeled Manage Account. This is your go-to section whenever you need to make changes or oversee account level settings. After clicking Manage Account, the next action step is to select Invite. This option is particularly useful when you need to delegate access or involve other team members in managing your domains. You will see an option to search for an email address. This is an essential step if you're adding someone to collaborate or help manage the account. Type in the email address of the person you want to invite. Be sure to double-check that it's correct to avoid any mishaps. Once you've entered the email address, look for the Add button to proceed. This will officially start the process of inviting the selected person to your Cloudflare account. The dashboard will then prompt you to select the scope of permissions. This is an important step because it determines what actions the invited user can perform. You'll see several options, and it's crucial to carefully consider what level of access this person should have. Too much or too little could potentially impact your site's management and security. Following that, you'll come across options to choose a preferred operator. The operator settings are essential for identifying the roles in terms of operations the invited user can undertake. Clarifying this ensures smooth operations and clear boundaries in account management. Alongside this, you'll also need to select a preferred type and name, which helps in further customizing the user's role and responsibilities. This extra layer of customization allows you to have more granular control over who does what on your Cloudflare account. With the scope, operator, type, and name chosen, the next step is to click on Roles. This is where you define the specific roles that are applicable to the invited user. Roles help in segmenting tasks and ensure every team member knows what they are responsible for. Finally, once you've assigned the necessary roles, click on Continue to Summary to get a comprehensive overview of the choices you've made during the setup. This summary serves as a final checkpoint for you to verify everything before wrapping up. And that's it. You've learned how to manage user accounts with Cloudflare. Practicing these steps is a great way to ensure you're making the most of what Cloudflare has to offer, keeping your online operations